What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to start this video off by saying I appreciate the support for the guys who bought some shirts from me, and appreciate you guys watching it and tuning in. I just wanted to say thank you to these guys because I'm getting ready to ship these off and take them into the post office to Faroa. I believe he messaged me on Instagram. He got 2 shirts from me, and Mark with the black CTSV. You guys, I'm getting ready to send these into the post office, and I really appreciate the support. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry if the camera is a little shaky. I got it on the dash and the cam is rocking the car a little bit. We were sitting here rocking, but I'm here to get this done. Maintenance day today. Doing an oil change on the V. I do the Mobil 1 synthetic oil. I always use Mobil 1 on all my cars. And then coolant, changing the coolant out. And then I had to stop at Napa to get some clamps, man. The intake on this car is pretty big since I have the 102mm throttle body on here now, and it sticks out a little bit further. So one of the clamps is the OEM size, which is this one. It wasn't even on there when I checked. It was sliding all over the place, so I went ahead and went to Napa and got a slightly bigger size. So if you do go with that 102mm throttle body, you're gonna need this one to switch it out. And as you guys can see, the size difference right there. That's what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the shop and get this taken care of. I get a lot of questions about the drivability lately down in the comments. The drivability is great. You guys know I have the Cletus McFarlane Bald Eagle boost cam, the Texas Speed cam, which is pretty choppy, but the car drives, I mean, pretty much like it drove without the cam. I mean, you do feel a little, you know, there's a difference between it. You feel some shake. It has that race car feel to it, kind of. But overall, the drivability is great. I mean, I can cruise lower speeds, like what, this is about 30. And I mean, I'm chilling. I'm not bucking. The car doesn't feel like, you know, that it wants to go crazy or nothing like that. But that's mainly going to be in you guys' tune also. Your tuner is going to have to, you know, mess with the tune and make sure you get a good quality tune on it in order to avoid things like that. Because if you don't, you know, then you might have some bucking. Down low, you might not be getting enough fuel. You might be getting too much fuel. That's really all in the tune. And then also, you still keep your drivability. As you guys know, I believe with the CTSV, you don't need a stall when you do a cam on these cars. But I have a built transmission now. I have a stall in it. Jess at RPM Automotive did do my trans, put a stall and everything. Damn, I wonder what the hell's going on over there. They got that guy out of the car, pinned up and everything. That's crazy. But as you guys know, I do have a stall currently now. And, I mean, it drives just like it did when I didn't have a stall, so it's kind of weird, but I mean, but there is a difference. Like on takeoff and when I'm driving, the car shifts pretty fast. Because I did have a video where I was saying if the mods were worth it for the CTSV, and I was saying yes, they're worth it, but the transmission doesn't shift as fast. But with the trans kit that I have on here now, the thing shifts like butter, man. It shifts great. There's an SS up here, Chevy SS. Well, yeah, we're here at Charlie's shop. Go ahead and do some maintenance, man. It's time to do it. What y'all doing to the SS? Axle back. Axle back?
Yeah, all you have is one spinners, take 3-inch pipe, clean this from the front all the way to the back, and the back part kills it.
Oh.
Yeah, everything is amazing, but that back part, I think they did something custom.
Yeah. Is it too quiet or what?
It's quiet, but they did a lot of bad adapters.
Yeah.
They got some really bad mufflers. They go from 3-inch to like 2.25.
Oh, okay, so it's all off, yeah. Texas Hot Rods. They must have just bought this.
Yeah.
Probably got it from there, right?
He got it about a month ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's already got some more time to it.
Yeah, you know Texas Hot Rod cars always got somebody turned it in with something on it. It's a nice color though. I like the red. Yeah. So what you doing to this one? You doing a?
So we're gonna do axle back. So you see this big reduction that it has right here?
Yeah.
3 inches, like.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And this big old freaking weird
So hooker.
Blow.
So what are y'all gonna put right here though?
So we're gonna run those shorty bullets that your car has.
Oh, so the same bullets that I have.
Same bullets, and we're gonna run quads to 3.5.
Quads, man. I want quads. I still haven't been able to do the quads on my car. I know. So he has the headers. It's a 3-inch all the way back. I believe this is his X pipe right here, and then he's gonna do the bullets, the same ones that I have on my car. Those are quads, man. Those look good.
Yeah, this one's good right there, and then on this one,
And
right
with the
here,
bullet right there.
a little bit of angle.
Yeah. You already got one side, and it looks way better. Compare this old garbage over here to the new side. It looks way better. This looks 10 times better than, I don't know, whoever at Texas Hot Rods left this shit on here. They should have took this off themselves, man. Look at this. It's crazy. But, you know, if you guys need this exhaust work, come up to Elford's Muffler Shop. These are the bullets that are on my car. Installing them on the SS. So I know I got a lot of questions about the bullets and everything. So do you have any more information on these? Because I keep getting people asked, or just SOP. SOP.
That's the whole secret, man.
Yep, that's that secret sauce right there. Check out the Ford, man. Clean. They got the 17 model Ford front bumper on it. Oh, look at that. S550 seats on here and the inside. These look way better. Yeah.
And I hooked up everything too. I just gotta switch this one. I'm gonna buy another
Oh
one.
shit.
Yeah.
That's what's up. It makes the whole interior look like way updated. Yeah.
It comes off of a 03
Yeah.
F-150 crew cab too.
Oh, so you changed it.
Yeah, everything, bro. Yeah, soon I'm gonna do the carpet and headliner too.
At least you carpet black.
No, that one's gonna be black for sure.
Yeah, your carpet black.
I hate the gray. I love the black on the Mustang. You ain't gonna see no stains.
Nice. Damn.
Has all kinds of evap deletes now, so we don't need that. Where we're going.
You don't need no evapes.
Yeah, so ready for boost 2 with a Crown Vic suspension in the front.
Crown Vic suspension?
Yeah, I did that too.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, so all you're waiting for is just boost and that's it.
What are you gonna do? Supercharged turbo?
I'm going single turbo.
Single turbo?
27.
Damn.
Too big. Small.
Damn. Way ready. Way. Put the choo-choo boy on here. Yeah, it's gonna be a badass truck once you put the turbo and shit. But you say you're going with the 2020 front bumper, right?
Yeah.
Put a 2020 on here and then.
Yeah, I'll be updated too.
Damn, that whole front end looks like way different. Looks updated, man. That's what I like.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks good. And then I really like those seats, man. They came out surprisingly good. Yeah, when you open the door, I was like, what the fuck? That's crazy. And what year is the truck?
95, bro.
95?
Yeah, I've had it for like about 9 years already.
Damn. Slotted. I see you. Yeah, doing it right. What's your Instagram so people can probably follow you and go see it?
It's just Blue Ford, bro.
Blue Ford?
Yep.
That's
2
it.
E's.
Blue Ford 2 E's. Follow him if y'all want to see this build on this truck. Oh, they put hose on the. Golly. That's what's coming off, man. He already took off the other side. Installed.
So right now I ran 2.5. Picked up the highs that it could, so when my kids, because I think now I'm sitting. It looks like working. It smells like the highs now. You got 2 hangers. Sounds good.
only thing that sucks about being low, man. We got to keep putting the woods and stuff to get on the rack with these coupe springs, or the wagon springs. That's what I got them off of. But coming up these ramps are pretty difficult. So this is the clamp I was telling you guys about. This is the OEM one. I had it right here, but it was just sliding off, and you guys can now see the difference between that. So this is much bigger to go, and this is the 102 millimeter throttle body. So you're gonna need this size to fit that. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this oil change. Knock this thing out. Way better. This is like slide toner.
Yeah, no struggle.
Yeah.
Made for that.
Yeah, right? Just right on there. Perfect size. There we go. Yep, so that's the size you need right there. 127 millimeter. Put it on there. Bullet's still holding up great. Got the X pipe. So a lot of still getting questions about the exhaust. 2.5 to a 3-inch. 3-inch X pipe all the way up to the headers. Now we're doing the oil change. Now we're gonna add some coolant. Gotta fill up the reservoir, put some for the heat exchanger, and then add some for the radiator. Guys, we just got the oil change done, coolant refresh, got the new clamp on. I'm gonna head to Jess's shop. I told you guys I was planning on wrapping the car. So I'm about to get the car measured, see how much wrap I need, and comment down below which color you think I might go with. I'm still debating on wrapping it or not, but we're gonna measure it and see how much we need. The wrap is pretty expensive to do, it's not cheap. So I'm still thinking, I know the color that I want in mind. I already have the color that I want. Comment down below some colors again. But it feels good, man, when you get your oil change and everything. Car feels, I don't know why, but I know the oil change doesn't do anything, but it just feels, I don't know, more healthier, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna head up to Jess's shop at RPM Automotive. If you don't know who that is, he's the one that built my transmission. So we're gonna head up there, and I'll catch you guys when I get up there. Time to measure this thing. We're over here with Jess. Boy, you dirty as fuck right now. Oh shit. So what are we measuring from?
Go like, let's see, well, your fender ends here and here. So let's just go a little bit past the fender.
Right there.
Scoot it away from your car. There you go. 15.
15?
So we're good with a half roll.
Half roll?
Yeah.
So what is that, 25 feet?
No. 25 yards.
2 yards, my bad. 25 yards.
75 feet, you'll have that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna redo the whole lip black. The grill all is black. Door handles are probably gonna stay black. This is gonna stay black. These, I'm thinking about doing carbon. Yeah. Like I said, he's the one that did my transmission. It's Jess in his natural habitat. Well, he don't do rats, but for me, wrap my other 2 vehicles is him in his natural habitat. So y'all need trans work, y'all need to hit up Jess. Oh, these two need to probably take these off. Do those in black. Yeah. Change all that up. Door handles, I'm thinking about leaving them black. Yeah, I'm thinking about leaving them black. Yeah.
They're not gonna be peeling.
Yeah,
I'll take them all off to wrap the car.
Yeah.
But we'll put them right back.
Now on the front, are you gonna take the bumper off? The bumper's easy as hell to take off on this car.
Oh,
Surprisingly, yeah, because I had to get the headlights redone, and I put HIDs in here and here.
Yeah.
Dude, it's like a one clip right here, and they come off.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's like 3 bolts. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's easy. But if you do, I was gonna take this off because you see all these little chips and shit. I was gonna redo all that, respray that stuff. Yeah.
I'll wrap over it.
Nah, fuck that. Nah, sunroof staying like that. Oh yeah, you know what? That'll be nice because it has a black right here because of the sunroof and the blue around it. Yeah, so it already gives it that, you know, because it has the. Damn. Yeah, right. Fuck that. Yeah, turn to a hatchback. The whole back. Yeah, but yeah, man. Probably gonna be doing that here pretty soon. Leaving the shop. After some measurements, I officially picked the color that I want to do. Now it's just to decide if I want to wrap it or not, and if I want to go through with it. But I definitely found the color that I want to do, and I think you guys will love it. It's, man, that color's so sick. But stay tuned to the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope you guys like that SS exhaust. It is raining, and I never drive my car in the rain, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this thing home. But I'll catch you guys back in the next video, so stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all.